welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morse, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And in this video, we are going to do part 2 of solving equations with fractions. I know fractions are really frustrating for a lot of people, so I'm going to show you how to multiply to get rid of the fractions, just like we did in part 1. We look for the least common denominator, which means we look for the least common multiple of 3 and 4. That's going to be 12. 3 times 4 is 12. We multiply everything by 12, and that'll make our fractions go away. So we multiply this term by 12, we multiply this one by 12, we multiply this one by 12, and this one. Anytime you see a plus sign or a minus sign, that's a new term, or an equal sign, that's a new term. Multiply it by 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. That becomes 3x. 1/3 times 12 is 4. All right, let's see. 3 on the bottom. You could cross cancel and make that a 4. And then do 4 times 2, which is 8. And then same thing here. You can cross cancel and make that a 3, so you get a 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Now it's almost a 2-step equation. We've got variables on both sides, but it cleans up really nicely, doesn't it? Subtract 3x or 8x. Doesn't matter. Now it really is a 2-step equation. Subtract 9. We always undo adding and subtracting before we undo multiply and divide. And then we're going to divide by 5. So we get -1 equals x. Now when you're checking these, go back to the very, very original before you multiplied or anything. Go back to like that greenish yellow one. That's where we're going to plug it in to check. So that's going to give me -1 over 4 plus 1/3. We're going to see, does that equal 2/3 times -1 plus 3/4? So it looks like I need a common denominator of 12 for all of them, but I'm going to stick on this one side to start with. So that was times 3. That was times 4. So I get 1/12 when I check that side. I'll do this in another color so maybe it's easier to see. That gives me -2/3 plus 3/4 when I multiply. Now we're just doing order of operations, right? So we have to multiply first. Let's get our common denominator. Don't lose that negative sign, because that is something that makes a big difference and a lot of people goof it up. All right, so we're going to multiply this by 4 and this by 4. So that gave me an 8. Multiply this by 3 and this by 3, so that gives me a 9. So I got a 1/12 on that side too. They are the same. Woohoo! I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We would love to set you up with some tutoring with one of our certified math teachers. Also, like and subscribe so you always get the latest and greatest math content. Have a great day.